In this video, I will show you how to fix sorry something went wrong. For solutions, please visit on Steam. So if you are seeing this issue, don't panic because this is usually happens when Steam server are syncing. So your account just made changes and newly purchased or installed game that hasn't fully activated yet. So, one of the most common fixes is simply to wait 24 hours. So, yes, it sounds frustrating, but Steam sometimes put a temporary cooldown for security and verification reasons, especially after purchases, refunds, or account updates. So, while wait, so after 24 hours, try launching the game again. So, in most cases, the error disappears automatically. If it still doesn't work, visit Steam support and submit a ticket. So, thanks for watching. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.